Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome and hello. I'm Shell. In today's video, I am bringing you a quick haul from Kiara Sky. I picked up their new unicorn lamp and nail drill. So I wanted to share this with you guys. So if you're interested in this video, stay tuned. We're going to go ahead and jump right into it. Okay, so it came in a big box. I'm not going to be able to put this box in frame. So I'm just going to take the items out. Okay, so the first item I grabbed. Let me zoom out a little bit. Okay, so this is the box. I haven't opened it, but this is what it looks like. And let me tell you, I was so excited to get this. I'm talking about my drill right now is on its way out. So me purchasing this was like right on time. Plus, I mean, it's pink and it's unicorn. So I just had to get it. I'm a pink girl. So I had to get this. So you can see the holographic in there. So we're going to go ahead and open this up together. Okay, so this is what the back of the box looks like. Okay. And it just slides out, has this little pull. This is so cute. It says, you know the drill. And it has a little heart right there. If you guys ever purchased anything from Kiara Sky before, well, I know, or at least recently, they've been using those little pink heart peanuts. So this was cute that they have the little heart right here. My box didn't come with peanuts this time. So I'm just going to pull that up. And this is what's inside the box. So you get your warranty card. Then you get a pamphlet with the instructions. So, oh my God. Oh my God. This is so gorgeous, guys. It has that smooth surface. It's shiny. And you can see, hopefully you guys can see the unicorn look to it. Don't mind the ring light. Oh my God. It's so sleek. And it's lightweight. It's not heavy at all. Let me move this out the way. I'll put that down. There we go. So that's what the side looks like. It has this little rubber piece. I'm not sure what that is yet. And it's on that side too. And then you have your functions up top. And it has a clip. I just love the design. I love this right here. That design is so pretty. Okay. Then the next piece is the hand piece. And this hand piece is light. It's not too heavy. And this is my first drill from them. This is the most expensive drill that I've actually purchased thus far. So, and then that's the little piece that plugs up in here. Okay. And then this little base that you sit it on while it's on your table. So I'm assuming it's, yes, it's like that. Oh my God. And this base has a nice little weight to it. And it's made of rubber. It feels like, yeah. So this little clip part right here, how it angles, it goes down in that little space right there. And then you hook it. And then that's it. So you can do it this way, I guess, or that way, whichever one is comfortable. And then you get your mandarin bit. Cute. And then this is the piece that hooks on. Let me see. So you'll put that in there. And I'm not sure what this hooks on to on the side. Hold on. So this is the hand cradle. And then you get a diamond bit. That is so pretty. And you see the diamond in there. It's so cute. It's a large barrel. Okay, I'm gonna tell you something. I don't know about you guys, but packaging is everything for me. I'm like really into cute stuff. If it's cute and it smells good, I'll buy it. And so I bought this just because it was cute. So I'm just hoping that it lives up to the aesthetics. So this is your power cord. And so that's everything that you get in the box. Now I still want to know how this hooks on. Well, it hooks on too. Or does this come out? Oh, okay. So you pull this out. So you'll pull that out depending on what side you want to okay, shit, there you go. So just depending on what side you want to put it on, whichever side is comfortable for you. Okay, so I'll just remove that and put this back in for right now, because I won't be using this until I go into my new place. So this is more like a congratulations present to myself. And it matches my aesthetic, so I'm happy about that. I'm just gonna put this out the way, and then we're gonna move on to the other box. And let me tell you how much this costs, just in case you guys are interested. So the drill itself was $333, and the lamp was $243. And then I used a discount from I believe her name is V Nailed It on here on YouTube, and it saved me $64, which brought my total to $576. So I did go back on their website, and they did have the bundle together as a discounted price. I bought mine separate because I didn't know that they had that, or it was something that they done after I've already purchased it. So if you guys are interested in getting a bundle, check that out and see if they still have the bundle together and get you a discount off set. It's a savings. And then maybe if you can find a discount code and apply it, you might even save a little bit more. This is the discount code that I use. And thank God for people on YouTube who get who get the discount codes, guys, because those little discounts come in handy. I mean, $64, that's a lot. So I'm excited about that. Okay, so now the next item is the lamp. How pretty. How pretty. So I'm going to go ahead and open that. And this is a rechargeable lamp, as you can see. And it says volume 2. And it does have that little pull tab. I'm going to pull it out. And this has a little saying as well. Says let it shine, and then they have that little heart again, which I love. So I'm going to show you guys the back of the box as well. So this is what the back looks like. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and take this out. Let me move this out the way. Okay. And then you get your warranty card again, and then you also get your little manual. And then it has this little foam on top. And the lap. Oh my God. Okay, let me get this box out the way. Okay, let me take everything out. They packaging is everything. It's to the point where, like, I almost don't want to throw the boxes away. Because they're just so freaking cute. Okay, so here's the lamp. Look at that. Do you guys see this? Do you see this? This is so freaking gorgeous. So the side of it looks like this. And then the other side looks like this. And that's the underside. Okay. Now this is the handle. And I believe this is where the battery is. Okay. I'm trying to see how you take the battery out. I'm not going to fool with it right now, but here is, let's see. Those are the time. So you got 15 second, 30, 60, and 90 low heat mode. I like how they have the button for the low heat mode, because sometimes they'll say they have that, but you don't know if it's on it or not because there's no separate button for it. At least not on the one that I have. And then this is where the timer will show right here, the display. Okay. The base part where you put your hand on. So. And then you got this little box that came inside of here. And this is your power cord. So that's it. Okay guys, so this is the end of the video. If you stayed to the end of this video, thank you so much. I appreciate you guys. If you like this video, please go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you'll be notified each and every time I upload a video. And as always, guys, stay safe, stay blessed, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace.